Hey guys, welcome to my home. I thought that I would give you guys a tour of my home today. So if you are new to my channel, I make lifestyle and vlog type videos, so you should make sure to like and comment and subscribe. So come on in. This is our kitchen, the first place of our home whenever you like walk in the front door. We have everything that like a regular kitchen has. And you know, just have our cabinets full of stuff. And we're making chocolate covered strawberries right now for my roommate that's gonna graduate, and some flowers. This is our fridge. I would do a what's in my fridge, but there's nothing in there. There's like 4 things. And then these are just like our cabinets that have just our food and stuff like that in them. And that's really like all for the kitchen. As you can see, it's very nice and updated with like the cabinets and the appliances, and the huge like farmhouse sink is really nice. So making our way this way, this is our roommate, Maddie's room. Her door is locked because she left for the weekend, so I won't show her room. And then this is my roommate Natalie's room that's graduating. So this is, it's kind of like bare in here because she's graduating, so she packed a lot of her stuff up. But this is her desk area, like her entire bed with her blinds and like all that kind of stuff. And then I won't show you her bathroom and her closet just because they look like every other bathroom and closet in this house. So let's go into the living room. So when you come into our living room, the first thing is our spiral staircase, which is really loud whenever you walk up and down it, but it just is what it is, so there's nothing to do about it. Then we have this little area. It's very bare right now. It used to be like full of stuff, but it's not because a lot of it belongs to Natalie. And then in here, we just have like our TV and decorations, and then our couch. Originally, whenever we moved in, the couch was like along this wall and along this window, but it was really hard to watch TV, so we moved it. We have this cute rug. It's from Amazon. It was like $60. We have this Prada Marfa sign that was from like house.com, and then some pillows and blankets. And then we have our party rocker for whenever we don't have like karaoke dance parties. It has like really cool lights. I'll show y'all. I don't know if you'll be able to see. But,
oh yeah.
It has cool lights. And then like we have a picture of us, all that fun stuff. And then if you go out here, this is where our or technically what would be a balcony, but it just goes out to the street. So whenever you walk in from class, you can walk in right there. And then we have this like hello goodbye mat. We don't really have anything out here. And then that's the door. The blinds are really loud because we haven't had anything. So then we can go upstairs. And I'm sure you can tell the stairs are very loud. This is our upstairs area. We have this cute banner from Target. And then we have this table that they like supplied, and then the banister and stuff like that, but it has clothes on it right now, so I won't show that. And then we have our nice like laundry room, cleaning area. So that's really nice because it makes it easy to like do your laundry, and these doors close really nice. So then we go in. This is my room. So I'll give you guys a detailed tour of like my bathroom and closet so that you guys can see, since I did not show Natalie's. So this is my desk area. I just have like books and stuff and I like that. And I have this cute like fur throw thing that I put on here so it looks better. It's like Project 62 from Target. And then all this stuff like pictures, and then here's my bed, and literally everything in here is from Target. All of this is from Target. My lamp's from Target. This is like Anthropologie. This is actually from Amazon. It's really cute. My nightstand. It was like $60, so it's nice because it wasn't like super expensive. I just wish I had bought something with drawers. And then over here, as you guys can see, it's just like a little cubed area that has like my TV, which I never watch, my pajamas, my leggings, and my swimsuits are over there, and then like a cute picture. And then we walk into my bathroom. I won't turn on the light just because it's like really loud. But I have like these cute decorative towels that I never use. And then over here I have like my makeup drawer. It's like really jam-packed, so there's really not a way to like make it super organized and all that kind of stuff. And I have like my medicine cabinet full of like random stuff also. This cute picture of me and my friend McKenna when we studied abroad this last summer. And then all my jewelry is right here, my perfume, this volcano candle from Anthropologie. Then I have just like this cabinet that has like towels, medicine, like all my self-tanner and all that kind of stuff. And then my cute shower curtain is from, I think, like Marshalls, and this is from Target. And then in my closet, it's like kind of bare because I've taken a lot of stuff out of it to take home. But I just kind of like organize my stuff by like season and then by color. And in this cute little bin is where like I keep my towels and stuff like that. And then I have like shoes that I wear, like these are like wintry shoes, and those are like boots. So then I have that stuff. The upper part of my closet's really messy because I just keep accumulating more stuff. And this is where I keep like my jackets and all that kind of stuff. And then behind the door, which I won't show you, is like where I keep my towels after I shower and my like purses and stuff like that. So I will show you guys Michaela's room in a little bit, but for now, this is our house tour, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. So keep watching for the next clip of Michaela's room. My roommate Michaela's room. Her plant's a little dead, but she has this cute light and this cute little sign, and her bed is super cute. It's like layered with lots of pillows and that cute thing up there. I think that's from Target. I know that that's from Target. And her candles, like TV remotes, her TV, her cute little California thing. I think that's like a sound bar. And then her bathroom just has this cute shower curtain. This is really cute. I think it's like made for a kitchen, but she put it in here. It's like very minimalist. And then her closet and that cute little California thing, and then her throw are like decorative pillows. And then she has this cute little sign, and her decorative towels are really cute. So she's got a very cute and clean room, and it looks really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my house tour.